Have you ever wondered how to track a phone's location without the person knowing? Whether it's for ensuring your child's safety, keeping an eye on your loved ones, or recovering a lost device, knowing the right tools can make all the difference. Hi everyone, welcome back to AI Deals Today. Today, we're going to talk about how you can track a phone's location secretly. There are several ways to track a phone's location without alerting the user. Here are a few practical methods. Number 1. Using built-in features. Most phones have built-in tracking tools like Find My iPhone for iOS or Find My Device for Android. You can access these features through your account credentials. But keep in mind this method isn't entirely covert. Number 2. Using Google Maps. If you have access to their Google account, you can use the location sharing feature in Google Maps to see their real-time location. Number 3. Spy apps for complete stealth. For advanced and discreet tracking, spy apps are the way to go. Let's take a closer look at some of the best options available today. Here we will show you how to track a phone location without them knowing by the spy apps way. This is one of the most effective methods is using spy apps. These apps work discreetly, providing real-time location tracking without alerting the phone's owner. Now let's discuss about best spy apps for tracking phone location. Here are the top spy apps that help you track a phone's location without detection. Let's dive into the details. Number 1. XnSpy. XnSpy is one of the most trusted spy apps on the market, offering an extensive range of monitoring features. Whether you need to track real-time GPS locations or review call and text history, XnSpy provides a highly secure and user-friendly experience. It's perfect for both personal use and professional monitoring needs, making it a favorite for parents and employers alike. XnSpy key features and details. Number 1. Call monitoring. Access detailed call logs, including timestamps and call durations. Number 2. Text message tracking. You can view sent, received, and even deleted messages. Number 3. GPS location tracking. Monitor real-time location and set up geofencing alerts. Number 4. Social media monitoring. Track activity on platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. Number 5. Media file access. XnSpy allows access to photos, videos, and even screenshots taken on the device, making it easy to keep tabs on saved or shared media. Number 2. CocoSpy. CocoSpy is renowned for its sleek interface and seamless functionality, making it one of the easiest apps to use for discrete tracking. It's highly compatible with most devices and doesn't require rooting or jailbreaking, which is ideal for beginners. Besides location tracking, CocoSpy also allows you to monitor various activities like social media and messaging apps. CocoSpy key features and details. Number 1. Call tracking. Monitor call logs with details like contact names, timestamps, and call durations. Number 2. Social media monitoring. Get access to messages and activities on apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Snapchat. Number 3. GPS tracking. View location history and set geofence alerts. Number 4. Browser history tracking. Monitor internet activity in real time. Number 3. Spyic Pro. Spyic Pro is a reliable and powerful tool that focuses on providing accurate real-time tracking along with advanced monitoring features. With Spyic Pro, you can discreetly track a phone's location, monitor online activity, and even view deleted messages. Its no root, no jailbreak setup ensures it's completely hassle-free. Spyic Pro key features and details. Number 1. SMS and call logs. Detailed reports on sent, received, and deleted messages. Number 2. Social media tracking. Keep an eye on activities on popular platforms like Instagram, Snapchat, and more. Number 3. GPS and Wi-Fi tracking. Track location through GPS and connected Wi-Fi networks. Number 4. Media file access. This app allows access to photos, videos, and even screenshots taken on the device, making it easy to keep tabs on saved or shared media. Number 4. SpyStealth. SpyStealth is designed for individuals who want precise location monitoring with enhanced security and privacy. This app is particularly useful for parents who want to keep track of their children or for employers managing company-owned devices. SpyStealth is lightweight, easy to use, and operates completely under the radar. SpyStealth key features and details. Number 1. Call and SMS tracking. Access to all call logs and text messages, including deleted ones. Number 2. Media file access. This app allows access to photos, videos, and even screenshots taken on the device, making it easy to keep tabs on saved or shared media. Number 3. Social media monitoring. Track Facebook, Instagram, and more without rooting. Number 4. GPS tracking. View location history and set geofence alerts. Number 5. SpyBubble Pro. SpyBubble Pro stands out for its robust tracking capabilities and compatibility with a wide range of devices. This app offers detailed insights into the target phone's activities while remaining undetectable. It's perfect for tracking locations, monitoring communications, and accessing critical phone data. SpyBubble Pro key features and details. Number 1. Call and text tracking, comprehensive call logs, and SMS tracking. Number 2. Keylogger, record keystrokes to monitor typed messages. Number 3. Social media monitoring, access activities on platforms like WhatsApp, Snapchat, and more. Number 4. Media file access. SpyBubble allows access to photos, videos, and even screenshots taken on the device, making it easy to keep tabs on saved or shared media. Number 5. Browser history monitoring. View all web activity with detailed timestamps. Number 6. Yumobix. Yumobix is a popular choice for comprehensive phone monitoring. It's especially favored by parents who want to ensure their children's safety. The app not only provides accurate GPS tracking, but also offers insights into over 30 different apps, allowing you to stay fully informed about the device's activity. Yumobix key features and details. Number 1. Social media access. Monitor all popular apps, including WhatsApp and TikTok. Number 2. Call logs and text messages. Access detailed records of all communications. Number 3. Location tracking. Real-time GPS tracking with route history. Number 4. Media file access. View all photos and videos stored on the device. So there you have it. Now matter is how to choose the right spy app. With so many excellent options, it's essential to choose the app that best suits your needs. Consider features like compatibility, ease of use, and budget to make the right decision. Many of these apps offer free trials, so don't hesitate to test them before committing. And there you have it. Whether you're keeping your kids safe or recovering a lost device, these spy apps can make location tracking simple and effective. Remember to use these tools responsibly and only where permitted by law. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe for more tech tips and app recommendations.